Sugar is in practically everything we eat, but few have seen what happens before those tiny white crystals reach your kitchen. What seems like a simple ingredient relies on some of the biggest machines in the food industry. The transformation starts with a plant that looks nothing like the final product. Every year, hundreds of millions of tons of sugarcane are processed worldwide. Most people only know the beginning and the end, the stalks in the field and the sugar in the package. But between them lies an impressive sequence of transformations. First, the cane arrives at the factory and is washed and prepared. Then comes crushing. Massive rollers extract the juice, the real raw material. This green-brown liquid is full of natural impurities, fibers, and compounds. Clarification removes everything that's not sugar. Plant particles and impurities are separated. Now the challenge. There's plenty of sugar, but way too much water. Evaporation carefully concentrates the juice under controlled conditions.
The dissolved sugar is still invisible. Through precise cooling, molecules rearrange into solid crystals.
A delicate crystallization phase begins. High-speed centrifuge spin at incredible velocities to separate them using centrifugal force.
Crystals are mixed with molasses and get separated.
Even then, crystals carry moisture that affects quality. Final drying ensures stability. What began as fibrous green stalks ends as millions of uniform, pure white crystals. Standardized, packaged, and ready for the world. The sugarcane juice is extracted and purified. It is then crystallized into pure white sugar. Thanks to engineering, automation, and precision. It's a hidden industrial marvel behind one of the most common ingredients on Earth. A single grain creates perfection. Pure, simple, and beautifully complete. A transformation powered by modern industry.